is like, I go around there like, go around to this old bird's house like. I went like round there like, well, she gave like when she wasn't looking like, I thought I'll have all that away like, I had all that away. She came like back in the room like she didn't know what. I thought I'll have all that away and all that away like that. Then I sort of like get her upstairs like, and oh my Christ, you should have seen what I'd done with it. I fucked it, I screwed it, and by Christ, we did everything. Oh my Christ. Then like left there, like went up to see some other old tart, old fucking slag, like, and like, when she weren't looking on, you know, I had that away, had that. Have all that away, like, you know what I mean, have all that out there, like. And then I fucked it and screwed it as well. Well, like, you know the story, don't you? You should have seen what I'd done to it. You certainly would not believe it.